Today I have learned something interesting that this is a LED. So it will work on this AA 1.5 AA batteries. But if you try to lightening up this more than 1.5, for example 9 volt, then it will become fused and did not work and you have to throw it away. So today I have learned this that when you are connecting something or doing circuits, so you should know that how much volt ampere it can hold and it can travel or transfer. For example, this is the wire. This is a wire, a low quality wire. If you run a heavy things motor, then it will definitely not work and maybe your motor will be fused. So beware that you should use proper ampere, volts, watts, whatever you first check that that things. So I have also tried to connect this LED to run both, but today I haven't succeed. So I will try to learn that how I will do this. So because maybe my my opinion is that maybe these are the 1.5 volt DC motors is is taking too much voltage, so that's why they both cannot run in these batteries. So I will try to run these both on 4 watt 4 volts batteries. So I also see that how it will work. So one thing is that, like for example, this LED strip is not working on this 1.5 batteries, but I when I connect to this in a 9 volt battery, then it glow. So it's mean that it needs higher voltage ampere. So that's why. And one thing is that these are the home buttons. You are used in your homes, so you can also use your that. For example, I will try to show you. And maybe it's not. Yes, it is working. You may not see. Maybe you are feeling some little bit vibration. I show you. You cannot see, so you can see that this vibration that it is working. So when I off this, then it will off. You can use it in your project. So this is today's my work. So in the next I will connect these both and then use it. So I also made this fan which is connected to the USB wire. So in the next video, I will tell you that how I will use this. So this this will not run in lower ampere. So when I connect to the 4 ampere charger, it is working. Below 4 and 1 or 2 ampere, then it is not working. So today I have learned this. So in the next video, I will try to also do some LED project